Selamlar herkese. Şimdi Jameson'ın fabrikasına geldik. Burada viski tadımları yapacağız ve güzel bir tur olacak burada. Size etrafı göstereyim, az sonra başlayacak tur. Burada içki servisleri oluyor. Bu şekilde. Can I get one of these?
Do you have your ticket?
Yeah.
Yes, of course. Hi. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Hold on. Slow your roll.
Can I show it to you?
Yeah. I just need your tickets. So I need you to rip the ends of your tickets off, you guys. All of you guys, if you just want to look, just like that. You're gonna put it in this jar here. That's for you. You can go right ahead.
All right.
These ones get turned into this. So if you want straight whiskey, you're gonna grab the smaller glass. Okay. If you want a mixed drink, one of those.
So this is neat, right?
Jameson mixed with ginger ale. Do you want ice?
No.
Oh.
This is neat, right?
Yes.
Okay. Evet. Şöyle geçelim. Jameson'ın Need yani sek viskisi. Şimdi tadım yapalım bakalım. Jameson. Bakalım. İçimi acayip yumuşak. Yani hiç boğazı rahatsız etmiyor. Şunu içelim, etrafı gezdireyim size, sonra tur başlayacak zaten. Evet, şimdi tur için bekliyorum. Az sonra başlayacak. Bakalım neler göreceğiz. Bayağı büyükmüş burası ya. Üst kata geldim. Daha da var herhalde. Evet, başladı şimdi tur. Bakalım içeride neler var.
Carolina.
South Carolina
Turkey, İstanbul.
and Turkey, Phil,
Boise, Idaho.
and Idaho as well. Great, great. So it's great to have you all here. I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here in Dublin, everybody. We'll start with our bottle of Jameson. So everything you need to know about Jameson is on the bottle or in the bottle. The name Jameson comes after our founding father. His name was John Jameson. On the label, you'll see the family crest, which is here in front of me, and the family motto is Sine Metu. Those words are Latin, and they mean without fear or fearless. And back then, Dublin was in the midst of an economic boom. Population was growing dramatically. Economically, back in 1780, Dublin was actually the second largest city in the UK and Ireland, second only to London. All over this city, there was about 100 distilleries and breweries. Now, many of these, they would fade over time, but one institution on Dublin's north side would remain here for over 2 centuries. And this is where you are today. It is the Jameson Distillery here at Coke Street. And so this is John Jameson and his wife Margaret. Together, they shared a sense of adventure. With hard work and innovation, the distillery grew, as did their family. They had 16 children together. Yes, they know TV back then. One of their children was John Jameson II. He took over as master distiller, and he was entrusted the legacy by his father. So he kept the distillery going through hard work, innovation, and unmatched quality. By 1880, we were making 1 million gallons of whiskey per year.
Şimdi burada böyle masa kurmuşlar. Malted, unmalted diye. Burada bourbon var, sherry var. Bunlar meşe. Yani bu meşe variline koyduğun zaman bourbon oluyor, buna koyduğun zaman sherry oluyor. Bunlar da yılları. Burada inceleme alanı koymuşlar. Şu şekilde. Ve masalar var. Bakalım neler anlatacaklar.
Ishka Baha, which means water of life. The Dungourney River flows through our distillery down in Middleton, and we say that it's the source of life for our whiskey. First, we soak the barley in water for 2 days. Then we store it in a humid environment for 5 days until germination occurs. And with germination, we are tricking the barley into thinking it's springtime, so it releases the sugars and the enzymes that we need later for our fermentation process. Then we trap these sugars and enzymes by applying some heat, and traditionally We did this in a large room. It was called a malt house. This room was covered in ceramic malting tiles, and then we would blow hot air around the room and heat the barley. In some regions of Scotland, they use peat or turf, and that's why you get smoky, peaty whiskies from some parts of Scotland. You don't really get them here in Ireland as much anymore. So, next step, we take our barley, we grind it down into a grist. A grist is a flour-like substance. Then this gets mixed with warm water and it becomes mash, which is a very thick consistency. We will filter this down once more. We are left with a liquid called wort, and to the liquid we add yeast. The yeast consumes up the sugars and the enzymes, and you get a chemical reaction releasing CO2, and most importantly, we get alcohol. And you may recognize this process because it's the same process as making beer. And what we've just made is a type of beer. It is 10% alcohol or 20% proof. We call this mixture wash. So we take the wash mixture and it goes through the next step, and that is distillation. And here in Ireland, when we distill our whiskey, we use these large copper pots. So these are called pot stills. So down in Middleton, we have the largest pot stills in the world, and each one holds 80,000 litres of liquid inside. So we have 9 of those altogether down in Middleton. And the first one is called the wash still. Our wash mixture goes in, we boil up the mixture. The alcohol will boil at a lower temperature to the water, so the alcohol vapours will rise up through the neck. This part here we call the swan's neck. Then it condenses, and we collect it down below in the spirit receiver. We then repeat a second time in the middle one, that's called the faint still, and then a third time in the last one, that's called the spirit still. So here at Jameson we triple distill our whiskey. John Jameson said, when you triple distill your whiskey, it will give you twice the smoothness. And now you can smell the 2 types of whiskey in front of you here. If you press down these little bottles, they're stuck to the table, just push down and spray onto the card there. Piece of card there in front of you. Some people say that pot still whiskey smells a little bit like tequila.
Koklayalım bakalım.
And column still whiskey smells a bit like vodka.
Can you push it again? Bildiğiniz ekmek kokuyor. Smells like bread.
Yeah. And now we move to the next step. This is maturation.
Yani sıvı ekmek gibi.
We get our barrels from 2 places around the world. We use American barrels from Kentucky, USA, pre-seasoned with bourbon.
Bunlar Kentucky'denmiş, Amerika'dan.
Then we get them over
Variller.
here for our whiskey. We also use pre-seasoned.
Bunu koklayacakmışız. Çok sert kokuyor. Bunda mısır da var yanlış hatırlamıyorsam. Yarı mısır, yarı arpa. It's like corny and barley.
Yeah.
Bourbon.
Yeah. Sherry, this should be sweeter.
Ablamız test ediyor kokusunu.
Sweeter.
Biz de bakalım. Yeah. I like that one.
Yeah, I do too. I'm not a bourbon fan.
Ya gayet güzel bir tur ya. Çok sevdim. Yarısından fazlası Amerikalı zaten bu turistlerin. Bir Türk benim. Burada şey anlattı. Dedi ki normal alkol yapıyoruz dedi. Normal bira yapıyoruz dedi. Sonra şu gördüğünüz ne denir buna? Distilatör mü denir? Burada biranın içindeki alkolü aktarıyoruz. Yani vodka gibi oluyor aslında. Vodka oluyor aslında. Sonra o vodkayı karıştırıyorlar. Viski oluyor. Az bir maltla karıştırıp viski yapıyorlar. Meşe varillerine alıyorlar. Bu bourbon varili de olur. Sherry varili de olur. Hangisine koyarsan o oluyor. Yani şuna koyduğun zaman bourbon oluyor. Buna koyduğun zaman sherry oluyor. Ama içindeki yarısı mısır, yarısı arpadan olması lazım bourbon olması için. Bourbon Amerikan, biraz ağır kokuyor. Sherry de daha hafif oluyor böyle. Bunu 3 kez, şu distilatörü 3 kez yaptığın zaman daha smooth bir tat oluyor yani. Şimdi tadım zamanı. Tadım yerine geldik. Bunları içeceğim. Black Barrel, Later edition.
I think
Okay.
one person is in the bathroom. Yeah.
He was with me, but then
Okay, everybody, so welcome to the tasting room. So first of all, anybody who's under 18, do not drink the whiskey. Anybody who's driving after the tour, please don't drink the whiskey. And if anybody here today doesn't drink alcohol, or we don't want to drink, that's totally fine as well, okay? We'll start with the middle glass first. And this is Jameson Original. You want to lift up the middle glass first. And first of all, hold up your glass. I want you to tilt your glass a little bit. Or you can swirl the whiskey around the glass like this.
Bu ortadaki bayağı yaktı boğazımı ya. Bu nedir arkadaş? Vanilyalı.
And it sticks to the glass a little
Siyah
bit longer.
varilde.
With Black Barrel, it's mostly matured in bourbon barrels. The barrels that we select, they are double charred on the inside. So we'll burn the inside of the barrels twice before the whiskey goes in. And that causes the sugar from the bourbon to caramelize. So that gives sweetness on the flavour then. So if you smell this, you'll get those sweet notes, maybe a hint of caramel, with a bit of butterscotch on the nose. And then let's taste. You might get toffee and vanilla on the taste. So cheers.
Cheers. Bu çok,
Yeah.
bu çok şey.
Yeah, we don't. We
Tadı
don't
bayağı
let
değişik.
drink on the tours. No, we're not allowed to drink.
Nasıl desem yani
No,
sidik
never-
gibi.
We never were. So.
Ama hiç
Yeah,
yakmadı.
there's too much whiskey
Hiç
involved.
sıfır yanma.
Here you go.
Ama tadı viski gibi değil. Viski gibi değil yani.
Okay, good. Here.
Bu da vanilyalı. Boğazda hissediyorsun vanilyayı yani. Şimdi bunu tatacağız. En sonuncusu.
Sláinte. Yeah.
Bakalım
Yeah,
nasıl
we say
olacak.
that means stronger, so you'll get a hint of apple or pear.
Bunda elma tadı
And then on
varmış.
the taste, you might get the hint of sherry or ripe fruits on the taste. So cheers, everybody. Right.
Yok bunu da sevmedim.
So if anyone likes
Ama-
that one, if you buy a bottle, you can get your name
Ama
or
dile
somebody
geldiğinde
else's
böyle
name printed on the
yağ
bottle.
gibi
It's
kayıyor.
nice to give as a gift. This is Black Barrel cask strength. If you buy this one, you can bottle your own whiskey from our barrel downstairs. You personalize your own label. And then with this one, it is 60% alcohol, 120 proof. So it's a lot stronger than the ones you just
60,
had. Yeah, so.
%60 alkolmüş.
So, have you
İçilmez
got any
yani o.
questions for me today? Anything about Jameson? Anything else you'd like to ask?
I had a quick question
Yeah.
about the barrels or
Yeah.
the way to age them. So are they? I'm assuming you reuse them.
Yeah, we reused them. We get 3 runs out of it, so we get about average 21 years out of a barrel. Yeah, yeah.
Because they probably lose a little bit of the.
Yeah,
20
so
yıl
what you
kullanıyorlarmış
grade
bir
them.
varili.
So it's grade 1, 2, 3. And I use them as well.
he uses whiskey barrels in his beer.
For beer?
barrel.
Yeah, and we use beer barrels for our whiskey. Yeah. We should swap. Yeah.
Distile ettikleri biraları kalan suyu bir daha kullanabiliyorlarmış. Çünkü saf suymuş.
Yeah, so yes.
A question about the other brands that Redbreast.
Yeah.
Aged longer.
So Redbreast will be, it'll be different recipes. They all have their own individual recipes. Some of the recipes are going back to the 1800s. Like the brand is from the mid 1800s. So we would keep very true to those. Then some of the barrels will be different, and a lot of them are aged longer. So you have 10, 15, 12, 18, 21, 27. So that's the 27 is the oldest one. And then in Middleton is a different brand. The oldest one there is 50-year whiskey. The 50-year-old whiskey is 60,000 a bottle for that one.
60.000 tane 50 yaşında viski varmış.
So they're all okay. So everybody, thank you for coming to visit us today. And first of all, if you took any photos or videos, please share them with us on Instagram. Our Instagram page is Jameson Distillery, Bow Street, all one word. If you'd like to give feedback about your tour, please give a review after your tour. Down in the shop, you'll see a big sign on the
biter.
wall. It says leave a review. And my
Burada da hediyelik eşyalar var. Burada 90 euro istiyor şu şişe için. Onun dışında tişörtler var. Yellow Sport, 12 years old. 12 yıl. 12 yıllık. Çok çeşit var ya. Yani ömür yetmez her bir çeşidi içmeye. Bir de her sene farklı oluyor. Mesela İskoçya'da yapılan viski İrlanda'dakine göre farklı oluyor. Ya da Türkiye'de yaptığın viski tadı farklı oluyor hava nedeniyle. Single pot still diyor 60 euro. Grain. Single grain. Tahıl. €100, 15 yıl. 15 yıllık 115 euro. Rio Single Pass Steel Irish Whiskey. Değişik bir kültür ya. Hadi gidelim. Bunlar da küçük. 5 euro. 50 milim. Evet, şimdi tur bitti. Dağıldık. Burası kısacası artık burada yapılmıyor. Burası sadece müze. Giriş öğrenci 30 euro. Normal yetişkine 33 euro. Tur tabii ki bu. 45 dakika falan sürdü. Burada artık şey yokmuş, yani üretim yokmuş. Burası müze. Gayet hoş. Cork'ta üretiliyormuş viskiler ve Dublin'in şehir merkezinde değil de şehir merkezine yakın bir yerde paketleniyormuş, işte şişeleniyormuş. Sonra oradan dünyanın her yerinde satılıyormuş. Hoş bir yer, hoş bir müze. İlginizi çekerse Dublin'de mutlaka gelin. Bak buraya avize yapmışlar şişelerden.